your tongue out. Good job.
Where is your hair? Where is your hair?
Where is your hair? Good job.
Hair.
Arm. Arm. Arm.
Where is your eye?
Can you point to your eyes?
Can you point to your eye? Point to your eye, please. Good job.
Eye.
Well done.
Nose.
Nose.
We can smell with our nose.
Nose. Ear. Your ears let you hear sounds.
Ear.
Where are your ears? Very good.
Pattern phonics. Words ending with ap. Cap. Flap. Gap. Lap. Map. Nap.
Donkey.
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 Fish.
Want to find a fish?
You can find lots of fish swimming in oceans, rivers, and lakes.
Fish.
The fish is swimming in the water.